Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Damyliz and today I am going to be unboxing the Gucci Princetown Mules in black. So I already took this box out of the big box that Nordstrom sent me. And inside is the nice Gucci box. Okay, that probably won't stay. And oh, I just have things sliding out. Little booklet. There's another one. And inside you have the dust bags for the shoes. I love when they come with the two. These are really good when you're traveling to put your shoes in. You know, you pay a lot of money for your shoes. Take care of them. Use your dust bags. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. More tissue. Here's one. And here's another. And I purchased these at Nordstrom instead of the Gucci website because I do have a Nordstrom card and I get rewards. So I use that to buy other luxury items in the future. These, the box say that they were $6.95, but they were not $6.95. I don't know, I think Gucci prices go up too. And they were actually $7.90 before tax. Shipping was free. I'll put the exact amount right here of how much it was. I got the mules in black with the gold hardware because I just love black and gold together. It's one of my favorite color combinations to wear. And here are the beautiful shoes. Inside there's more tissue. And a little secret, I did open this before. I was recording earlier, but then my dog was barking in the back, so I had to do it all over. But let's just pretend like it's the first time, okay? It had these little inserts underneath here to protect from the hardware, the little buckles, the horsebit buckles, and the leather while, you know, it was shipped. But anyways, so that was the only thing that was different. And inside were the tissues that I just took out. But how gorgeous are these shoes? These shoes are perfect for really any outfit. Right now I'm wearing a sweater and leggings and I could wear these and still look very nicely put together. It has that wonderful new leather smell. Am I the only one who likes that smell? I mean, new handbags and new leather shoes. Always smells so good. The inside is brown leather. It says Gucci made in Italy. And look at how gorgeous these soles are. If only they could stay like this forever. It also says Gucci made in Italy. I got these in a size 38. And like I said, I did open these and I tried them on and I have to send these babies back because they're a half size small. Now, I usually order a 38 in Gucci shoes. My heels, my sandals, they're all 38. And I thought, okay, well, let me just go to 38, right? Wrong. They run small. So, and they were just like right there, and I don't like wearing mules like that. I do want like a little bit more space in the back of the heel. So I'm gonna have to order these in a 38.5. My normal shoe size is a 7.5, sometimes 8 if the shoes run small. So if you're a 7.5 and you wanna know what size to order, get a 38.5. That way, you don't get excited and wait for your beautiful shoes to arrive, and then when they arrive, you're gonna have to send them back. But yes, so these are the Gucci Princetown Mules in black leather. I'll insert a small clip after this so that you can get a closer look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have these shoes and you love them, or if you hate them, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.